Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an aged and distressed effect in Photoshop using a grunge texture and a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, paste a grunge texture into your main image. Then adjust its size and position to make sure it covers the entire canvas. Pause here so I can demonstrate this step. Next, select your main image layer and apply a clipping mask. Then select the grunge layer, go to Adjustments, and choose Threshold. Use the slider to increase or decrease the intensity of the grunge effect until you get the look you want. Pause here while I demonstrate how the threshold adjustment works. After that, click your main image layer, go to Select, then choose Color Range. Change the selection to Shadows, adjust the fuzziness to around 60%, and set the range to 0. Then click OK. Pause here so I can demonstrate these settings. Now, hide the two layers you used for the effect, and you will see your image with the aged and distressed effect. Finally, create a new layer and paint or fill it with white to see the final distressed design clearly. Pause here so I can show you the final result. And that's it. Your aged and distressed design is now ready to use.